This is the Goldstrike 3-way adjustable highway peg mounts with the twin rail footrests, which are designed specifically for Honda Goldwing models from 2018 and up. My name is Alex at Accessory International, and you can find these highway peg mounts at accessoryinternational.com. Now, the first thing that you're going to notice with this setup is how clean the mounting system is. So you're getting a true bolt-on upgrade. It's going to look factory once installed. So there are no bulky brackets whatsoever. There is no awkward fitment with this kit. It's a direct bolt-on install that's going to look factory. Where it really stands out for me as well is the adjustability, right? So you're getting a full 3-way adjustment system that's built into the base with a rotational arm and a clevis mount that are both going to lock in position. So when you take all of the adjustment points and you put them together, you're getting over 40 different positioning options. So whether you're tall, you're short, or you're just trying to fine tune your highway riding position, you've got a ton of flexibility with the kit. Now, the construction is also another big highlight. This is all stainless steel, right? So you do not have to worry about rust or corrosion over time like you would with some other pure steel kits. Now, the hardware is stainless as well, and everything is going to feel solid and premium once installed on your Goldwing. And the included twin rail footrest here is going to give you a wide, stable platform for your feet, right about 3 to 4 inches. Installation is going to be straightforward. It's a complete kit with both the left and the right mounts. You get the extension arms, the adapters, the clamps, basically all the hardware that you're going to need to install it. At the end of the day, this is one of those upgrades that's all about comfort and control, and if you're putting miles into your Goldwing consistently, having properly positioned highway pegs is going to make a huge difference in reducing your fatigue and improving your riding experience at the same time. My name is Alex at Accessories International. We've been doing this for over 25 years. If you have any questions for us today about this kit, feel free to give us a call, 786-242-5400. If you found any value out of this video today, give us a like and subscribe for more. Thanks again for tuning in. See you next time.